Hi, my name is Vasudha. I'm from India, specifically from Chennai, and I study biotechnology and chemical engineering here at Aarhus University. I chose Aarhus University because it seemed like the best option of all the places I applied to. When I came here to Aarhus, I realized that it has a very international feeling because of the number of students who live here, but it also sticks very closely to the Danish culture, so you get the best of both worlds. It's been really nice living here for a year now. My classes here at AU have been pretty good so far. The assignments aren't super easy, they're very research focused, but I think that's something I've grown to appreciate a lot. Back home, the courses were more textbook oriented. Here, they're more up to date and they focus more on ongoing research and they focus more on our presentation skills, which is also something I like a lot. Studying in Denmark as a student from India, it can be intimidating because we know that Denmark isn't the cheapest country to live in, but there are Danish state scholarships. It also helps to know that as an engineer, you have a pretty secure future here when it comes to finding jobs. There's so many industries like Arla, for example, or Novo Nordisk, who have their headquarters here in Denmark. You get to form direct connections and network to sort of get insights into how life would be after graduation, and that's really nice. What surprised me the most about living here in Aarhus was the fact that there's a system for everything, and there's also so many apps for all the things that you need. It was also really nice that Aarhus and Denmark place so much importance to spending time with family and friends. The concept of hygge itself is so warm and comforting. There was a program called Kickstart Your Stay in Denmark. All of my friends that I have now, at least my close inner circle of friends, are people that I met during the Kickstart program. So I would highly recommend doing that. Looking back, I'm very, very happy that I chose Aarhus. I've made some wonderful friends. All the experiences that we shared, all the trips that we took together, and the board game nights and the hygge that we had, I really hope to take it with me wherever I go.